This is why you need to try this southern fried chicken recipe. It's crispy, juicy, and super easy to make. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 4 chicken drumsticks, 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and oil for frying. Start by soaking your chicken drumsticks in buttermilk for at least an hour. This makes them super tender and juicy. Next, in a large bowl, mix the flour, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. This is your flavorful coating. Now take each drumstick out of the buttermilk and coat it well in the flour mixture. Make sure it's fully covered for that perfect crunch. Heat your oil in a deep skillet to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the chicken in batches for about 12-15 minutes or until golden brown and crispy, turning occasionally. Always check the internal temperature. It should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it. Perfect southern fried chicken. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Let's recap: buttermilk soak, seasoned flour coat, and a hot oil fry. Simple and delicious. Enjoy.